Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September 2024, our system has classified Intel as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.17. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 34% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 51% to negative 10%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of about 29% over the next year, with an anticipated return between negative 37% and positive 39%. This equates to a price range of $12.61 to $28.03 after a year. Our latest daily update for Intel highlights a challenging day, as the stock price experienced a significant decline of 8.8% during the Tuesday trading session. On that day, the Intel stock price dropped from $22.04 to $20.10. The stock showed considerable volatility, fluctuating by 8.5%, with a low of $19.99 and a high of $21.69. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decline of 6.6%. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a favorable indicator, as volume should align with price movements. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 62 million shares, with a total of 114 million shares being traded, amounting to approximately $2.3 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Currently, the price stands at 60.8%, or $31.18, below the 52-week high, and 70.9%, or $49.19, below the all-time high, which occurred on January 24, 2020, when the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock has experienced a notable decline, dropping 28% in August due to missed earnings estimates and disappointing guidance for the third quarter. This setback is worsened by the company's decision to eliminate its dividend and lay off at least 15% of its workforce, which significantly undermines investor confidence in the short term. Additionally, concerns about potential delisting from the Dow Jones Industrial Average have triggered further sell-offs, with shares falling over 8% recently. The broader market's downturn and a decrease in U.S. manufacturing activity are intensifying these worries. On a slightly more hopeful note, Intel is introducing its new Core Ultra processors, targeting the AI PC market, which may indicate a strategic shift towards innovation. However, CEO Pat Gelsinger is expected to propose plans to divest non-core assets, potentially including the sale of Altera, reflecting a focus on stabilizing finances amidst challenging market conditions. While these immediate challenges may keep Intel's stock under pressure in the short term, the long-term outlook will depend on the effective implementation of its recovery plan and innovation strategies. Investors will be closely watching to see if Intel can navigate through these difficult times and regain its competitive edge in the semiconductor industry. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Intel Corporation a sector weight grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald gave Intel Corporation an overweight grade accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, Goldman Sachs assigned Intel Corporation a buy grade alongside a hold action. Also on that Monday, RBC Capital rated Intel Corporation as sector perform with a downgrade action. Lastly, on the same day, BMO Capital assigned Intel Corporation a market perform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Currently, there are mixed signals regarding the stock. The Intel stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a generally negative outlook. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $20.37 and $24.76. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 5.85%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 109 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 117 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support at $19.83, a level that may present a buying opportunity as we can anticipate an upward reaction when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70, which represents an 8.5% change. For the past week, the daily average volatility has been 4.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts have consensus estimates at a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $20.11. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $19.83. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger conducted another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. On the same day, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of 0.987. Overall, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel shows several concerning signals, and we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate stance to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of September, we expect Intel to open at approximately 49 cents above its previous close, starting the day at $20.59. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.